right to the harbor right here. It's only roughly about 200 meters away, and I can tell you the Dubai experience is not complete without getting onto one of these boats. They take you right across to the other side of Dubai. With that being said, let's go and hop on.
Just a couple minutes away from the souk is the water station El Supra. This traditional boat, Abra, means to cross in Arabic. They act as a water taxi and runs every few minutes throughout the day between 4 stations on the both sides of the creek. The first route goes on Deir al Souk near the Spice Souk to Bur Dubai, Dubai city center. So, all aboard please. The bustling Dubai Creek has been the lifeblood of locals for generations. As a favorite site for the early settlers and with the city's first port and pearling industry thrive, each Abra holds about 20 passengers, with 150 boats working every day from 5 a.m. to midnight.
Well, the ride's actually pretty short, only lasts about 3 to 5 minutes, but as you can see, it's the experience. This is really cool. It only costs 1 dirham for 25 cents. That was an interesting ride. Is the best 25 cents I ever spent. So I'm actually heading over to another. This one's actually more.
Sadly, all Abras are motorized these days, so every crossing only takes about 5 minutes, but only costs 1 dirham, or less than a quarter. So I'm gonna go back for round 2. This time, the other route, Bur Dubai to Banyas. This route only costs an extra dirham, but more scenic. If you got a date, you can even hire a private one for an hour. I totally recommend it doing during the sunset. Very romantic. Given how cheap this is, I can probably do this all day. But if you run out of change, don't worry, I got you covered too. We are going to go somewhere, 10 minutes on foot from Bur Dubai Abra station to pick up some more spare change. The best of all, it's not going to even cost you a single penny, for real.
So, more soup along the way to the next attraction, and interesting. Hello, I can smell some. Hello. Sorry, my hands. Oh, it's okay.
Just a picture.
Thank you very much. Yeah, get ready to be hugged. It's part of the experience, I guess.
Hello.
Oh, look at that rug. I think I'm getting lost. So hot, I think I'm getting burned. Make sure to bring some sunscreen, guys. When we arrived at the Point Museum, first room, let's go and have a look. Interesting.
Dubai's coin museum are entirely devoted to money and coins. Lots of coins. Display over 8 rooms. The collection consists of 470 coins with a focus on Old Arabic period. The collection covers rare and historic coins across Middle East, including Egypt, Turkey, Morocco, and the oldest minted during the Arab-Sasanian era during the 7th century. So what's so nice about these museums, they all have free teas. If they have any left, I guess it's not my day. This is the second floor, and I guess there's really nothing here except for the bunch of architectures. Let me see if I can go through all these. No. If you like coffee, like me, and yes, I'm a coffee addict, and I should be learning a thing or two about what I'm drinking, since coffee is also very important to the Arabic culture and to the people of this region. With that being said, let's have a look. The museum showcased the origin of coffee, dating all the way back to a legend of Khadi, a goat herder who believed to have found the humble coffee bean, and how it made its way to the region from the Ethiopian highland. On the ground floor, there's a large collection of international rare antiques on display, including coffee grinder used in the First World War, historical data dedicated to coffee, and the old brewing pot. This room contains all the different coffee grinds that's been used throughout the ages, and from all the globe as well. Some from the US, some from Germany, and it's pretty interesting. And this is just one of the rooms. This is also really cool. You get to come into a room where coffee are socially drank. Which is pretty cool. I think it's time for me to have a seat. This room is very specific to Middle East. So all of the artifacts are the tools that people in this region in the Middle East use to make the Arabic coffees. On the second floor, there is an extensive collection of books and documentaries related to coffee, as well as a lounge with a large selection of traditional handcrafted coffee drinks that are made to order. But if you don't have the budget for that, don't worry. Once again, I got you covered. There's always live demonstration of roasting and brewing styles on the main floor, and your Capujo is on the house. Oh yeah. Price of your ticket also includes a free sample of the Arabic coffee, so make sure you grab one before you leave. That being said, let's try it. I can taste the aroma and just the right bitterness. Oh, delicious. So right around the corner from the coffee museum is also a fine art gallery, and it says over here, the first fine art gallery
in UAE. Alright, hopefully I have to go and check this out. I have a feeling it's free.
This is a small gallery which started from the home of the expatriate interior designer Alison Cohen and has grown into Dubai's premier art gallery. You get to see large range of fine arts and paintings, sculptures, chromatics, glassworks, and photography. Not only is it free, but also you can support these artists by buying their masterpiece.